Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful.
Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Manzoor Abbasi, mathematics teacher, Pakistan International School, Thai. Today we have to start the chapter number 11, exercise 11.1, lecture number 23. Dear students, in this chapter, we are going to start how to find the perimeter and area of a square and rectangle. Perimeter, it is the boundary, total measurement of the boundary of a given figure. Figure may be square or rectangle. Dear student, we find the perimeter by adding the measurement of all sides of a given figure. Perimeter of the square has four sides. So we find all the sides, length plus length plus length plus length of each side. While we find the area if we multiply 4 by the length of one side. Now, I want to start the question number 1. Find the area and perimeter of the following squares and rectangle. First of all, I have done all the questions which are about the area and perimeter of a square. So I have selected the particular those problems, those figures which are about the square. Dear student, here you can see this figure. Its length of one side is equal to 7 centimeters. We have to find its area as well as its perimeter. Here I have mentioned question mark area of a square, and here I have question mark area of a perimeter of a square. First we find the area of a square, that is equal to side multiplied by side. Measurement of the one side, here we can see measurement of one side is equal to 10, and measurement of same one side is equal to again 7 centimeter. So we will multiply 7 centimeter by the 7 centimeter. 7 times it will become 49. Centimeter multiplied by centimeter, it will become a centimeter square. So its answer is 49 centimeter square, or otherwise square centimeter. Dear students, we have to find area. Now here we have to find the perimeter, not area, perimeter. Here is the perimeter. Here we write the perimeter. Here is also perimeter. By mistake it is written the area. Perimeter means measurement of the total boundary around the square. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 multiply length of one square. 4 remains same. Length of one side we are mentioned in the given figure, that is equal to that 7 centimeter. That is here. All sides are equal. This one, also this one, as well as this one. So we will multiply 4 by 7. It will become 28 centimeters. So this is the question number 1 for number 1. Dear student, on the same page and in the same exercise, another sum, I have a question number 5. Question number 5, the figure you can see here, the side of the one, measurement of the one side is equal to the 11 centimeters. Now, we will find the figure that or information that we are given here, and what we have to find, we will write in a start of question. 11 centimeter, side of one side of a square we are given. Area of the square we have to find. Perimeter of the square we have to find. Dear students, first of all, we will show the formula. This is very important, that what is the area of a square? Area of the square is equal to side multiplied by side. Side multiplied by side. Now, we know that what is the measurement of one side? The measurement of the side, it is equal to, definitely, it is equal to 11 centimeter. And again here is the 11 centimeter. If you multiply 11 by 11, it will come 121. And multiplication of the centimeter again with the centimeter, it will also come square centimeter. Dear students, here area of square comes out 121 centimeters. Now, we have to find the perimeter of a square. First of all, we will write the formula. Perimeter of the square has 4 sides. So we will write here 4. Then measurement of the one side, that is equal to the 11. But here we will mention the formula. The perimeter of the square is equal to 4. 4 represents this number of the sides in a given figure. The given figure is square. Square has 4 sides. So we will multiply 4 and the measurement of the one side, that is 11. 4 times 11 will come 44. This is the answer. So dear students, here solution, here we are given here volume V5 number, side of the square 11 centimeter, area of a square we have to find, perimeter of the square we have to find, area of the square, its formula is equal to side multiplied by side. A measurement of the one side of the square 11 centimeter. Again, measurement of the another side, that is also 11 centimeter. Multiplication of the 11 with 11, its answer will be 121. Multiplication of the centimeter is square centimeter. By the same pattern, dear students, perimeter of the square, it is equal to 4 times the length of the one side of a square. 4 multiplied by its value 11 centimeter. That comes out 44 centimeter. Dear students, here by the same way, I have a 6 number. Same way, we are given at the place of 11, we are given the number or measurement 70. Dear students, first of all, we will find the information, measurement of one side, area of a square, find. Perimeter of the square we have to find. Area of the square, side multiplied by side. Now here, area of the square is equal to, write the value of the one side, that is the 17 centimeter. Again 17 centimeter. When we multiply, its answer will come 289. This is the answer. And multiplication of the centimeter with centimeter, it comes out square centimeter. Dear student, we have to find the perimeter of a square by the same way 4 times length of a one side. 4 represent the number of the total sides and length of one side we are given 17. So the instance here 17 length of one side, 4 number of the total sides. If we multiply 4 sevens are 28 and 2 carried and here 4 one time 4 plus 2 68. This will be the 68 answer. So this was the part number 5 and 6. Now the students by the same way here we have a ninth but same relevant part of the square. I will see that here. First of all, we are given the length of one side. Length of one side here we have 4.5. First of all, we will write the solution in the start of answer. That area side of one is side of a square. Measurement of one side of a square, that is 4.5. Now area of a square we have to find. Perimeter of a square we have to find. Now formula, that is side multiplied by side. It is already we have learnt in previous parts also. Replace the side by its value 4.5 centimeter. Multiply 4.5 centimeter. Now 4.5, its answer 20.25 square centimeter. This is the answer. The students unit of the area, that is the unit of measurement. But for the area, we write the square centimeter, but in perimeter, we write only 1 time centimeter. Perimeter of the square, it is equal to 4. The 4 side, it is replaced by 4.5. Now 4.5 multiplied by 4, it will come here 8. Dear students, this is the answer. Now we are in a second topic, that is the rectangle. Rectangle is a geometrical figure and its opposite sides are only equal. Just here we can say this is the side and its opposite side is here. That is the same. It means here length is 6 centimeter and this is the width, the length and width here. Here width will be also here. This side will be also 4 centimeter. Dear students, in the solution, we will write the value of length and breadth. Length and breadth we are given here. Length is it is equal to 6 centimeter and breadth it is equal to 4 centimeter. Now we have the two tasks to do here. First of all, area of rectangle. Area of rectangle we know in the previous classes also. Length multiplied by breadth or length multiplied by width as you wish. Breadth or width, they are the similar ones. We can represent. Now here, area of rectangle, we have to find. Perimeter of the rectangle, we have to find. First we will find the area of rectangle. Now here, that is equal to length multiplied by breadth. The extra length is equal to 6 centimeter. I wrote the 6 centimeter. Breadth is equal to the 4 centimeter. I wrote the 4 centimeter. Now 6 fours are 4 times multiply 24. Centimeter multiplied by centimeter. Centimeter square. So we will write here the answer of this one. It is the 24 square centimeter. Dear student, now we have to find the perimeter. Means 2 times length, length plus length, then 2 times breadth, we write plus breadth, breadth. So that's why here I have written a formula. 2 is taken common. Length, bracket started length, and then breadth. Here I go. The external perimeter of the rectangle, it is equal to bracket started value of length, it is 6 centimeter plus value of breadth, it is 4 centimeter. First we will do the addition. 6 plus 4, it will come 10. Then we will multiply by 2. It is the 2 multiply 10. So dear student, 2 times 10, it will come 20. Answer is 20. Now we are going to start the another part of the rectangle that we have here. Dear students, part number 3 that we have here. Solution. In upper figure, similarly, we are given the length and breadth. The length is equal to 12.4 centimeters. Breadth is equal to 8 centimeters. So this information we have to write in a very start of the sum. Let us write the solution. Which parts, which values, which information we are given. We are given the value of length, that is the 12.4. Same way, we are given the breadth, that is the 8 centimeter. Area of rectangle, it is equal to the area of rectangle, that is equal to the, we have to find, but it is equal to the length multiplied by length multiplied. The students, see here, value of length, we have 12.4. Value of breadth, we have the 8. Then we multiply 12.4 and 8. We will get the 99.2 square centimeter, because centimeter multiplied with centimeter, it will be square centimeter. The students, see here, perimeter of rectangle, it is equal to 2 times bracket started length plus breadth. Okay, we can see the length here. We are given length 12.8 and breadth, that is equal to the 8. Now first we add 12.8 plus 8. We will add 8 plus 8, it will be 16.6. Here it is equal to the, this one equal to the 12.4. Dear student, here we have a 12.4, not 12.8. It is the 12.4. You can see in the figure also. 12.4 plus 8, it will come here. The value that come here, 20.4. Multiply by 2. Now it will be equal to the 40.8 centimeters. Dear students, now we are going to start the fourth part. How to find the square and perimeter. Square and perimeter of a given figure. Dear students, here we can see here in opposite figure, length is equal to 9 centimeters and breadth is equal to 3 centimeters. Let us write the information before the start of the sum. The information, length is equal to 9 centimeters. Breadth is equal to the 3 centimeters. What is the task here? We have to find area of rectangle, perimeter of rectangle. Yes, students, here area of rectangle, that is equal to the length multiplied by the breadth. This is the formula that we will mention. It is very, very important for me that which formula we are using here. The value of length, that is equal to the 9 centimeter. Value of breadth that is equal to 3. 9 3s are 27. 9 multiplied by 3, it will be 27. We will write here 27. Centimeter multiplied by centimeter square. The students, in the last segment, we have to find the perimeter of the same part. That is 2 times length, bracket started length plus breadth. Length is equal to the 9 and breadth is equal to the 3. 9 plus 3, it will become 12. Multiply then by the 2. 12 times 2 to 12 times, it will become 24. This is the now, dear students, this is the part number 3 and 4. Now, let us start. What is the 7 and second last and last part is the 8. Dear students, here length, you can see the figure by same way. In the length, value measurement of length 11. Measurement of the breadth, it is 6.5. Right? Now, write this information. That is the part of our information before the start of now. Length is equal to 11.2. Breadth is equal to 6.5. Area of rectangle, that is equal to question mark. Perimeter is also equal to the question mark. Dear students, area of rectangle, that is equal to the length multiplied by breadth. Now you can see I will write here value of length, that is 11.2. Value of breadth, that is the 6.5. After multiplication, we will get that 72.7 square centimeter. Now we have to find the perimeter. By the same way, we have to write the formula first of all. Formula, here I write the formula to find the perimeter, that is equal to 2, bracket is started, length plus breadth, bracket over. This is the formula. Now replace and write the value of length, write the value of breadth. That length is equal to 11.2 centimeter as you are mentioned in a figure. And breadth is equal to the 6.5 as you are mentioned in a figure. Now, dear students, the values inside the bracket, we will do the addition first of all. And their addition will be, in a last, it will be multiplied by the 2. Here 17.7. Multiplication with the 2, its answer will become 35.4 centimeter. Now let us start the last part, last segment of this question. Here we have a part number 8, and in the opposite figure, value of length we are given 7.6 centimeter and 3.8 centimeter is equal to the breadth of a rectangle. Dear students, here we will write first of all length is equal to 7.6 centimeter, breadth is equal to 3.8 centimeter, and dear students, here area of rectangle we have the question mark we have to find. Here perimeter of the rectangle we have to find. Now first of all we will find the area of rectangle, that is equal to length multiplied by breadth. This is the formula that we will use. Now here area of rectangle, it is equal to length multiplied by side. So here length is equal to 7.6 centimeter, breadth it is equal to 3.8 centimeter. Dear students, its multiplication you can do on the rough page also. It is equal to 28.80 square centimeter. This is the area. This sum is area. Now perimeter of a rectangle, bracket is started length plus right? Now perimeter of the rectangle is equal to, replace its value. Now I already mentioned here 7.6 and here 3.6 centimeter. They starts their addition 11.4 centimeter, and after the multiplication with 2, we will get the 22.8. So dear students, this is the end of our lecture. I hope you learn. Inshallah, we will meet again in a coming lecture. Oh, thank you for watching our video of our lecture. That's all. Thank you.